Hey, what's up, guys? Today is April the 26th, 2023. And today I'm going to share with you guys another shipment of refurbished unlocked cell phones that you can sell. I'm going to quickly go over what's only in this box. I have other phones and other models for sale, but I'm just going to talk about what's in this box. So in this box, I have the Galaxy S22 series as the S22s, the S22 Pluses. I also have iPhone 12s in here. So let me pull these out and I'll show you guys, and I'll go over the new updated prices. Before I begin, you don't need some special license or some special permit in order to resell phones like this on OfferUp or on Facebook Marketplace. Before I was even in the cell phone repair business, before the coffee shop days, I was selling phones like this out of the trunk of my car. I would drive around San Diego and meet people at their houses, meet them in parking lots, Target parking lot, the beach. I didn't care. I would meet them anywhere. I was the cell phone hustler in my car. All right, so let me pull some of these out and I'll show you guys. All right, so here's the shipment of phones that I got in. As you guys know, I don't buy them with the boxes or accessories. I only buy them with the phone themselves. You can buy them with the box and all that, but you just have to pay a little extra. Generally, people don't care about the boxes, right? So I want to make the most profits that I can and sell them for a good price, so I'm not messing around with boxes. And plus, the weight and the shipment and the box is going to be a lot bigger if you buy all that stuff. You know, for one phone, the box is going to be like that big. Imagine how much bigger this box is going to be and how much more you're going to have to pay in shipping costs, right? All right, so I already pulled them out of the box, and I grabbed one of each model, and I'm just going to go phone by phone and just show them to you guys. So the first one up, this one is a Galaxy S22. Here you go. Wait till it kicks on. Okay, so the Galaxy S22, which is last year's model, right? I'm actually filming this YouTube video right now on my personal Galaxy S22. So this phone is good enough to make YouTube videos, right? All right, so Galaxy S22, you can buy this for $408. I'm going to resell this for $525. So the prices to buy this phone have gone down a bit. I was reselling these for $550. I ran out and I bought some more. The prices went down when I bought them again. So now I'm going to drop the price down to $525 for this model, Galaxy S22. Okay. Go on to the next model. This is... see what this phone is. Galaxy S22 Plus. Here we go. Turn it on. Put this back in here. Okay. Galaxy S22. So the Galaxy S22 Plus, that's what this phone is. You can buy this phone for $446. I believe this is a $1,000 phone when this came out last year. So you can buy this for like less than half the cost just 1 year later, right? Galaxy S22 Plus, $446. I'm going to resell this for $550. I was just selling these just even a couple weeks ago for $550. And I'm just going to sell this one for $550, right? Because the prices have gone down for this one too. All right, moving on to the next one. Going right down the list. See this one? Galaxy S21 Plus. Here, as you guys can see, that's what I didn't... Hold on, let me plug my phone in. My phone is about to die right now. All right, we're good to go. My phone is plugged in right now. Okay, so what is this? Galaxy S22 Plus. So you see, this phone looks brand new. It looks like it's brand new, but it's really refurbished. S20, what is this again? Oh my God. S21 Plus. You can buy this phone for $269. I was selling this for $400. I might leave it there. I was thinking of dropping it down to $375, but I might just leave it at $400. If I'm selling it at $400 just a couple of weeks ago, I think I might just leave it there. I'm not sure. All right, moving on to the next phone. And by the way, these are iPhones over here. I'll get to those phones last. All right, so what we have here is Galaxy S21 Ultra phone. So the S21 Ultra, I bought these for $370. So the price on this phone, it went down a lot. I was selling this for $500. I'm gonna drop the price on these. I'm gonna resell these for $475. So once again, you can buy it for $370. I'm going to resell these for $475. Galaxy S21 Ultra. That's what this is. There you go. All right, the next phone up is one of my favorite phones to sell, and that is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra phone. The reason why I like this phone is because this phone still has the micro SD card slot, so you can add storage onto this phone. Note 20 Ultra has the pen on the bottom like this. And let's look at this phone. This phone looks brand new. Let me turn it off so you can see. Phone looks brand new. Look at the sides. The camera. There's not a single nick, scratch, or anything on this. Look. It looks brand freaking new. Check that out. Okay, so did I give the price yet? So the Note 20 Ultra, you can buy this for $355. And for sure, because this is one of my top sellers, I'm going to leave the price at $475. So once again, you can buy this phone for $355. I resell this phone for $475. Let's put this phone away. Power off. All right, now on to the iPhones. Here's an iPhone 12. This happens to be the black color. Let's turn this phone on. Here's an iPhone. Here's another iPhone 12. This one happens to be the white color. And then here's a 128 gig model. I have more iPhones in there. I have more of these phones in there. I'm just only grabbing one, right? You can buy these in different colors too. It doesn't have to be like, the iPhone 12s come in like black, blue, like red, I think mint, green. I happen to just to get the black, the white, and the green color. Oh, they also come in purple too. All right, so iPhone 12s. Set up new iPhone now and just click that off. Let's just go over the prices for these. iPhone 12, 64 gig, which is this one. iPhone 12, 64 gig. This is $349. iPhone 12. I'm going to resell this for $450. An iPhone 12 128 gig model, which I have one here, you can buy it for $387. I'm going to resell this for $500. So to go over these really quick, the iPhone 12 64 gig model is $349. I'm going to resell it for $450. The iPhone 12 128 gig, you can buy it for $387, and I'm going to resell this for $500. Click that off. All right, so I'm going to end this video right here. I just wanted to give you guys a quick price update on what I bought recently. And if anybody wants to know my contacts or my supplier information to buy these phones, link in description. Everybody that's in my cell phone repair course gets all my contact information and my supplier information. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.